This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Entertainment Minister Babsy Grange has hailed Shenseea as the next big thing out of Jamaica. Grange, who attended the Jamaican leg of the artist's debut album launch last night, alongside other government officials including Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, and Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, said Shenseea's album Alpha is a musical representation of the best a local talent has to offer. Grange said despite criticisms faced from stepping outside her usual dancehall-flavored tracks, Shenseea has found her niche and is poised for a massive international takeover. Police say Tommy Thompson, who is wanted for last December's murder of a Chinese couple in Bellevue near Southfield in St. Elizabeth, eluded them on Monday during a shootout. Superintendent Dwight Daly, head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, confirmed that about 8 p.m. Thompson was spotted as a passenger in a motorcar on Holland Bamboo Avenue while the police were conducting an operation. It is reported that Thompson shot at the police and the gunfire was returned. He reportedly ran from the vehicle and was chased by the police. However, he escaped in nearby bushes. An elderly man died as a result of injuries he sustained after he was mowed down on the Brompton Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as 69-year-old Derek Boyd, a construction worker of Donegal, Springfield in the parish. Police reports are that about 3:45 p.m., the driver of a Toyota Camry motorcar was traveling on the Brompton Main Road when she lost control of the vehicle, which mowed down Boyd and a 25-year-old man. Both men were taken to the hospital, where Boyd succumbed to his injuries. The other man was admitted. In other news, former National Security Minister Senator Peter Bunting has given the clearest of signals that he will not bow to calls for his resignation based on the findings of a damning special report from the Integrity Commission on the Firearm Licensing Authority. The report concluded that Bunting gave approval for the granting of firearm licenses to 2 individuals with criminal traces when, as minister, he was in charge of the FLA. Bunting served as security minister between 2012 and 2016. In international news, the UK government has confirmed that all remaining COVID-19 travel protocols will be removed on Friday, March 18. British Airways shared the announcement in a press release stating that passengers, including those who are unvaccinated, will no longer need to be tested on arrival. The airline noted, however, that people traveling on certain flights will be required to wear a mask on board if the airline noted, however, that people traveling on certain flights will be required to wear a mask on board if the destination they're flying to requires it, such as the United States. It has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.